Has anyone ever told you, "You look so much younger than your age"? Maybe you smiled, thinking it was just a compliment. But what if it's more than that? What if your youthful glow holds a powerful spiritual message? In this video, we'll dive deep into 8 spiritual reasons why you might look younger than your years. These insights could shift how you see yourself and inspire you to live in even greater harmony with your true essence. Stick around. This could be the awakening you've been waiting for. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Serenity Wisdom for more uplifting content on spirituality and personal growth. And grab our Spiritual Awakening Guide, a step-by-step roadmap to understanding each stage of your spiritual transformation and finding balance in your journey. The link is in the description below. Spiritual youthfulness. Looking younger isn't always about the latest skincare trends or having good genes. In many cases, it's a reflection of your inner energy and the spiritual harmony you cultivate in your life. Today, we'll explore 8 profound reasons that go beyond the surface and reveal a connection between your youthful appearance and your spiritual journey. Each of these reasons will not only inspire you, but show you how to embrace your unique energy to maintain balance and vitality. Here's something to think about. What if your youthful appearance is connected to being an old soul? Let's uncover how lifetimes of wisdom could be shaping the way you carry yourself, both inside and out. Old soul wisdom. Old souls are individuals who carry the lessons and experiences of multiple lifetimes. This depth of understanding gives them a unique perspective on life, one rooted in peace, acceptance, and clarity. These qualities help them avoid the chaos of stress and negativity, which can often weigh heavily on others, both mentally and physically. Science shows that stress accelerates aging by shortening telomeres, the protective caps on our DNA. Old souls, by living in alignment with inner peace, naturally protect themselves from this process. Their wisdom acts as a shield, reflecting in their calm demeanor and youthful glow. Reason 2. Connection to natural and mystical energies. People who appear youthful often have a heightened connection to the natural and mystical energies that surround us. They sense the rhythm of life, staying in tune with the cycles of nature and the vibrations of the universe. Studies have shown that spending time in nature reduces cortisol levels, a major factor in premature aging. Those who connect deeply with these energies often find renewal in the simplest things: a walk in the forest, the sound of waves, or the warmth of the sun. This connection nourishes their spirit, helping them live in harmony and radiate vitality. Reason 3. Deep empathy. Empaths, individuals who deeply feel and understand the emotions of others, carry a unique light. Their ability to transform negativity into love and positivity protects their inner balance. Emotional resilience is a key factor in staying youthful, as it reduces the mental strain that can lead to premature aging. Empaths are like emotional alchemists. By releasing burdens instead of holding on to them, they maintain a fresh, radiant energy. Their compassionate approach to life doesn't just nourish their soul, it's visible in their sparkling eyes, glowing skin, and vibrant demeanor. Here's an intriguing idea. Did you know that kindness and adaptability not only enrich your soul, but might actually help you reverse the effects of aging? Let's explore how these qualities play a role in maintaining your youthful energy. Reason 4. Kindness and compassion. Kindness isn't just a virtue, it's a transformative energy. Science supports this. Acts of kindness release oxytocin, often called the love hormone, which reduces inflammation in the body and promotes healing. Compassionate people who forgive easily and live with an open heart often radiate a sense of purity. This lack of emotional blockages allows their energy to flow freely, keeping both their spirit and appearance youthful. Their gentle demeanor, often accompanied by warm smiles and kind eyes, leaves a lasting impression of serenity. Reason 5. Adaptability. Adaptable individuals live with a mindset of flowing with life rather than resisting it. This trait is often compared to water, which finds its way around obstacles with grace and ease. Psychologically, adaptability reduces stress and anxiety, two major contributors to aging. Spiritually, it reflects a trust in the universe's plan. These individuals embrace change, avoid emotional stagnation, and radiate a lightness of being that keeps them fresh and youthful. Their faces often reflect this inner ease, with fewer lines of worry and more expressions of joy. Reason 6. Positivity and optimism. Optimists look at life through a lens of possibility and hope. Research has shown that a positive outlook not only improves mental health, but also boosts physical health, reducing the risk of age-related illnesses. When you smile or laugh, your body releases endorphins, which naturally lift your mood and even relax your facial muscles. Over time, this creates a radiant, youthful appearance. Optimists carry a bright energy that uplifts everyone around them, and this vibrancy becomes a defining part of their youthful essence. Reason 7. Inner wisdom and calm. Inner wisdom brings a sense of calm that shields the spirit from the chaos of life. This serenity allows wise individuals to face challenges without becoming overwhelmed. Living in this state of balance lowers cortisol levels, which helps maintain youthful skin and prevents the premature aging often caused by chronic stress. Their peaceful energy is visible in their glowing faces and gentle, understanding eyes. This calmness is a reflection of their inner harmony. Reason 8. The energy of a chosen one. Some people carry a special mission in life, whether it's to heal, inspire, or spread hope. This purpose aligns their mind, body, and spirit, creating a powerful, youthful energy. The energy of a chosen one doesn't just preserve their vitality. It radiates outward, touching those around them. This balance protects them from emotional and physical exhaustion, allowing them to carry their lightness and youth far beyond what seems possible. Looking younger isn't just about genetics or good skincare routines. It's a reflection of a balanced and harmonious spirit. From old soul wisdom to deep empathy, from kindness to optimism, every trait we've explored today is a reminder that your spiritual energy plays a vital role in how you present yourself to the world. By cultivating these qualities, you're not just embracing a youthful glow, you're living a life that's full of light, meaning, and connection to the universe. Which of these reasons resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to Serenity Wisdom for more transformative insights into spirituality and self-growth. Also, if today's video inspired you, grab our Spiritual Awakening Guide. It's your roadmap to understanding every stage of spiritual transformation and finding balance in your journey. The link is waiting for you in the description. Thank you for joining us today. Stay radiant, stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video.